This station is testing its emergency alert equipment. The EAS provides timely emergency warnings. This station serves the extended Pittsburgh operational area. This concludes this EAS test. Generic bias.
Service office in Greenville, Spartanburg. The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station WXL-70's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers
did you not go off?
activated to warn of an impending hazard. Test of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXL-70,
I'm gonna try WXL-6.
Service office in Greenville, Spartanburg. The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station Eastern Daylight Time observations for